Hello everyone, my name is Martin and I'm also known as Sweeviver on YouTube. If you just picked up a brand new Pimax from Amazon, this video is for you. I'll make sure you get the most out of your VR headset and I'll also help you to save some time. But first, congratulations to your new Pimax purchase. You have some very exciting times ahead of you. The new Pimax 5K Plus, the 5K XR and the Pimax 8K are the most sophisticated and immersive VR headsets on the market today, with a unique ultra-wide field of view combined with a high-resolution image, pushing the VR experience to the next generation. You will experience virtual reality like never before, with a super sharp image with great clarity and with an image covering almost your entire field of view. Your Pimax headset supports every single VR game, VR simulator and VR compatible application available on Steam, as well as a wide range of VR titles on the Oculus home platform, for example, and other PC VR games and experiences. Believe me, you will never run out of VR content to enjoy. Now, you should know that your Pimax is a PC VR headset, which means you need to have it connected to your PC or laptop with the included cables. So in other words, a VR-ready computer is required, as the Pimax headsets are not standalone units. Using a PC VR headset such as the Pimax together with your PC, you can enjoy the best VR games and simulators made for VR with a higher graphical fidelity and a more polished VR experience overall, giving you way more fun hours in VR. Furthermore, your PC must be able to handle your VR games and experiences with a rather good frame rate, so I would recommend you to use a more powerful graphic card in your PC for the optimal experience, preferably an NVIDIA GTX 1070, 1080 or even better. You may also have noticed that your Pimax headset from Amazon do not include any tracking base stations or wireless controllers. To be able to use your Pimax in full VR with standing up room scale VR tracking and hand gestures, you will need a pair of wireless VR controllers and at least one base station. You can purchase these accessories at a low cost from Amazon, and I will leave you some links to Amazon down here below. But if you're not able to buy any tracking accessories at this time, don't worry. Meanwhile, you can enjoy your Pimax VR headset in many ways without the base stations and the controllers. That's because your headset includes a built-in 3 degrees of freedom head tracking system, giving you a 360 degrees of head motion tracking while you're sitting down. This built-in tracking system supports a wide range of VR games, VR racing and flight simulators, and many other sitting down VR experiences and applications. You can also watch movies in VR, play some favorite PC games on a big VR cinema screen, control your PC through a big virtual desktop environment, and much more. Make sure to check out my full video down here below, listing all my top picks of VR experiences you should try if you just got your Pimax but do not have any base stations or controllers. Later this year, Pimax is also aiming to release a whole bunch of accessories for your headset, including audio strap, a hand tracking unit, a pair of wireless controllers called Pimax Sword and Sword Sense, and much more. This will make your Pimax headset even more fun to use, using the latest technology and cool features that virtual reality can offer. Now, so how about getting started? Setting up your Pimax headset by connecting it to your PC and getting it running is pretty simple, and you should be ready to go within just a few minutes. Personally, I want to make sure you get a smooth and hassle-free start, so I have prepared 7 short introduction videos which will guide you step by step through the first time installation, the configuration and troubleshooting if something goes wrong. You will find the links to all the 7 introduction videos down here below, and I highly recommend you to watch them upon starting up. If you need further help or guidance, Pimax has a fast worldwide support center you can reach out to at any time, and also an official public forum with a huge community of thousands of Pimax VR enthusiasts that will be happy to get to know you and assist you regarding any questions or concerns. Lastly, I hope you will have loads of fun exploring the immersive world of virtual reality using your new Pimax headset, And if you would like to ask me anything regarding your new Pimax and need some assistance or help from me personally, you can always find me in the Pimax official forums or on my YouTube channel, Sweeviver. Thank you so much for your purchase on Amazon and for choosing Pimax as your next VR headset. I look forward to see you in virtual reality.